guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna do a different video, and that's because Merit contacted me to try their new signature lip. So I have the box with me. Before starting this video, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And let's get started. I have the box right here with me. How the box looks, I love it. It is so simple but chic at the same time. Just the outside. Here is how it looks inside. It says less and more, and I feel like that's what Merit is. I feel like they're really into less is more, especially we have seen that since last year. Everything is more about less is more. And here we have a little card from Merit. It says signature lip, comfortable color. So we're going to talk right now about their new signature lip. They were really kind and sent me their cute bag that also have it on their website. This is so cute. I love this color. This is the goodie bag. Oh my god, I love it. This is so cute. And also you can put your makeup, but also you can, you know, like wear this, you know, to go out to a brunch, to for breakfast, for dinner. I love this color. This is so beautiful. Okay, so inside we have the products from Merit. Here I have their new signature lip lightweight lipstick, but we're gonna talk about it in a minute. Have a close-up, do some swatches, other stuff from Merit. Just want to do a makeup look and then talk specifically about their new signature lip. So I got these two perfecting complexion stick. I got these in two shades. It's silk and cream, called the Minimalist. I love the name. I love the packaging. This is how it looks. Is chic and simple. I'm gonna use cream on some, let's say, part of my face. I feel like it's most of it. Just start blending. And this is not a foundation, neither a concealer. It's basically both. But this product, it's more like, you know, when we do this makeup but no makeup, I'm going to put my orange concealer like I always do. You guys know that I cannot live with my orange concealer. So you guys can see this is the color Silk, and this is lighter than cream. Grab this one just to a little bit more of brightness underneath my eyes and the chin, and a little bit on the forehead. But remember, this is not a foundation. I continue with my makeup off camera. Now let's go with the lashes. This is the Clean Lash Lengthening Tubing Mascara. Okay, this is so cute. I love it. Oh my god, I love it. It is so chic. I know I keep saying chic, but this is definitely how it looks. Not smudge and lift your lashes. Ooh, it feels so nice. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply some mascara. I'm not gonna put some falsies, nothing like that, because I just want the makeup to be very simple. Less is more. Ooh, I like it. Really nice. Oh, I'm just gonna apply a little bit on my lower lashes. Make my lashes so long. Okay, so after mascara, we're gonna go with the blush. This is a blush Balm Cheek color. This is so cute. I got the color in Beverly Hills. I chose the color Beverly Hills. This is so cute. This is so cute. I love it. It's cute packaging. This is so cute. So in the front you have Merit, and you can see the actual color. And this is, oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. So this is, remember, a cheek balm. This is not a blush. It's gonna look softer on the cheeks than the actual blush. I'm just gonna grab with my finger. This is how it looks. I don't know, you want me to do a swatch? This is really soft on the skin, so I'm just going to do this and apply it. So it's just gonna give you like a simple soft color on your cheeks. And again, less is more. Products, you use it a lot during spring and summer, especially in summer, because even though we go to the beach, we go to the pool, sometimes we add a little bit of makeup And this is really, really nice. So after the makeup is done, we're gonna go with the lips. So now for the lips, we have the new Signature Lip Lightweight Lipstick, and I got in the color Slip and Millennial. These Signature Lip are lightweight, buildable, satin finish, clean, cruelty-free, and vegan. Then there are also 8 different shades. You can find them at Sephora, online, and also at store, or also at Sephora Canada. Also have this check sign, or this check mark at Sephora. This is a sheer lipstick with a satin finish and the benefits of a lip balm. It says Merit Signature Lip Lightweight Lipstick. Then on the top it says Minimalist Beauty Hydrating Buildable Lipstick with a soft satin finish. It's so lightweight that you will forget that you're wearing it. At the back you have the ingredients. That's how you can use it. You swipe directly into the lips and layer for more color. It is clean, vegan, cruelty-free. It says Merit, and it says meritbeauty.com. And then I love this, that they have their logo. I love their logo. To me, the Greek vibes, the European vibes. They chose Slip and Millennial. So let's open Slip. So beautiful. Here you have the 2 signature lip. It says Merit. It is so beautiful. You see this aesthetic vibe. So we have this gold and this like brown color. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So on the top we have the shades Millennial and Slip. This is how it looks on the back, and then here is the logo of Merit. You take out the cap. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. And then here you have Slip. This is how it looks. It says Merit. You have Slip. This is how it looks. If you want more intensity, it gives you more intensity. And here you have Millennial. So this is how it looks. If you want more intensity, you add more. Here is the swatches of these 2 signature lip lightweight lipstick. Here is Millennial, and we're gonna use Millennial on the lips. It feels so soft and so creamy. This is how Millennial looks. Now here is Slip. So this is how Slip looks on the lips. This is how these 2 signature lip lightweight lipstick look. If you want to check them out, I'll leave the link down below on the description box. You guys, again, can find this also website, meritbeauty.com. These are so beautiful, so soft, so creamy, and definitely you feel like you don't have it on your lips. This is such a gorgeous product. Oh my god. So again, I'll give you guys the link description box so you guys can check them out, especially right now for spring and summer. Finishing up with the video, the shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. I chose the color Taupe. This is so beautiful. I'm just gonna add this on top of the signature lip. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video. I'll leave my social media right here on the screen if you guys want to come and say hi. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.